Hello dear students, welcome back to Edihant Online Teaching for Mathematics. At this section today we are going to discuss about percentages. It's a very important topic for various competitive exam. So what is percentage? What is the definition? In mathematics, a percentage is a number or ratio that can be expressed as a fraction of 100. Okay, so percent, nothing but how much, percent. So percent, per means how much, cent means 100, how much per 100, that is called percentage. So it can be expressed fraction of 100, that is very important. For example, 20%, okay, and 30%, this is examples, and 25%, this is examples. Okay, so clearly we have to observe 20% can be written 20 by 100. 30% can be written 30 by 100, 25% can be written 25 by 100. So this is an example, okay na? So percentage is a number or ratio. So number 20% is a number, 20 by 100 is a ratio, okay na? That can be expressed as a fraction of 100, fraction of 100. So how much per 100, that is called percentage. Am I clear? So some important percentages convert into fraction form. This is very important. 50% means it can be written 50 by 100. 50 by 100 means what? 1 by 2. This is a fraction form. 51s are 52s are. Am I clear? 33 and 1 by 3. So actually this is a mixed fraction. Firstly it can be converted to improper fraction. So 3 into 33. 3 into 33, 99 plus 1, 100. 100 by 3. Percentage means what? Whole by 100. 20 cancel. So what is the fraction form? 1 by 3. Again 25%. It can be written 25 by 100. What is the fraction form? 1 by 4, because 25 4s are 100. Next 20%, it can be written 20 by 100, 1 by 5. Okay, clearly we can write a sequence like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, next 1 by 6. So according to that mixed fraction, actually what I am given 16 and 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction, it will be converted into improper. 3 16s are 48 plus 2, 50 by 3. Percentage means what? Again you can write a whole by 100, nothing but 300 in denominator. 56 are 300, 1 by 6. So 16 and 2 by 3 percentage, nothing but 1 by 6. Next 14 and 2 by 7 percentage. 7 14s are 98 plus 2, 100 by 7. Percentage means percentage nothing but fraction of 100. Okay na? 20 cancel, then what is the fraction form? 1 by 7. Am I clear? Next 11 and 1 by 9 percentage. 11 and 1 by 9 percentage. What is the fraction form? Okay, 1 by 7, okay, clear? 1 by 8, 12 and a half, okay? 12 and a half. Okay, 12 and a half, how you are going to convert into fraction form? 2 12s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2, percentage means whole by 100. So 25 by 200, it can be written 1 by 8. Am I clear? So 2 12s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2, percentage means whole by 100. What is the fraction form? 1 by 8. 25 8s are 200. Next 11 and 1 by 9 percentage. 9 11s are 99 plus 1, 100 by 9. This is an improper value. Percentage means whole by 100. 20 cancel. What is the fraction form? 1 by 9. 10%, it's very simple. 10 by 100, 0 cancel. What is the fraction form? 1 by 10. Next 9 and 1 by 11 percentage. 11 9s are 99 plus 1, 100 by 11. Percentage means whole by 100. You can write denominator into 100. Nothing but 1100. 20 cancel. This is 1 by 11. Am I clear? Next 8 and 1 by 3 percentage. 3 8s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 300. Actually 25 12s are 300 directly. 25 1s are 25 3s are. Again 7 and 9 by 13. 39s are 91 plus 9, 100 by 1300. 20 cancel. What is the fraction? 1 by 13. Next 7 and 1 by 7. 7 7s are 49 plus 1, 50 by 7. Percentage means whole by 100. Again 50, 0 cancel. 5 1s are 5, 14s are 1 by 14. Am I clear? Okay. You can express the order 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on, 1 by 14. Next, 6 and 2 by 3 percentage. 3 6 are 18 plus 2, 20 by 3. Actually, this is a improper value. Percentage means what? Whole by 100. So 0 0 cancel, 2 15 are. So 1 by 15, that is a 6 and 2 by 3 percentage. Next one, 6 and 1 by 4 percentage. 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. Whole by, percentage means what? Again you can write whole by 100 into 100 in denominator. So actually this is 25 16 are 400. 1 by 16. 5 and 5 by 9. 9 5 is a 45 plus 5. 50 by 9 is a improper value. Percentage means what? Whole by 100. 0 0 cancel. 9 how many is a 5 18 is a. So 5 18 is a 90. Again 90, 5 and 5 by 19. 19 5 is a 95 plus 5. 100 by 1900. Including with percentage. Okay. 20 1 by 19. So 5 and 5 by 19 can be written 1 by 19. 5% nothing but 5 by 100. What is the fraction form? 1 by 20. 5 20 is a 100. Is it clear? Next one. 16%. It can be written 16 by 100. So 4 4s are 425s are. What is the fraction form? 4 by 25. 15%, nothing but 15 by 100. It can be written 5 3s are 5 20s are. 3 by 20. 37.5%. 2 37s are 74 plus 1. 75 by 2. Percentage means what? Whole by 100. 25 3s are 75. 25 8s are 3 by 8. That is the fraction form. 37.5%. 3 by 8. Again 62.5%. 2 62s are 124 plus 1. 125 by 2. Percentage means again we can write a whole by 100. Nothing but 200. 25 5s are 125. 25 8s are 200. 5 by 80. 62.5% means 5 by 8. Next 66 and 2 by 3 percentage. 366 are 198 plus 2. 200 by 3. Percentage means what? Whole by 100. 20 20 cancel. 2 by 3. This is a fraction form of 66 and 2 by 3 percentage. Next 87.5%. 2 87s are 174 plus 1. 175 by 2. Percentage means whole by 100. 25 7s are 120. 175. 25 8s are 200. 7 by 8. 87.5% is nothing but what is the fraction form? 7 by 8. 30% means 3 by 10. Actually 30 by 100. 0 0 cancel. What is the fraction form? 3 by 10. Next 40% means 40 by 100. What is the fraction form? 0 0 cancel. 2 2s are 4 2 5s are 2 by 5. Next 60%. 60% can be written 60 by 100. 0 0 cancel. 2 3s are 6 2 5s are 3 by 5. 60% value 3 by 5. 80%. 80 by 100. So it can be written 0 0 cancel. 2 4s are 2 4s are 8 2 5s are 4 by 5. So we could get the important percentages value converted to fraction form. Is it clear? So in that question, for example, 16 and 2 by 3 percentage. What is the fraction form? 1 by 6 taken directly. You can get the direct answer. అంటే మీరు ఇలా నేర్చుకోవడం వల్ల మీకు ఈజీ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఫామ్ తెలిసి ఈజీ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ మనం యూజ్ చేసి ఈజీగా మన ఆన్సర్ని ఫైనలైజ్ చేయొచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్. ఓకే. సో అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములాస్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ వన్? ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ వాట్ పర్సెంట్ ఆఫ్ వై? దట్ మీన్స్ ఎక్స్ బై వై ఇంటూ 100. So x value asking in y. So right side value always taken in denominator. So x is what percentage of y? Nothing but x by y into 100. Or x is how much percentage in y? Or x by y into 100. So this is formula 1. Formula 2, x is how much percentage more than y? Here what I am given? More. Nothing but between the two variables, which one is a greater value? X is the greatest value. Because x is how much percentage more than y means x is greater than y. So difference taken in numerator x minus y. By denominator always taken second person y into 100. This is a formula. So once I explain that, second one, x is how much percentage more than y. So x is a more than y, nothing but x is a greater than value compared with y. Okay na? So x minus y value taken in numerator. So x is how much more than y means what? Y taken always in denominator. సో మ్యాథ్స్లో కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంటుంది, ఇలాంటి వచ్చినప్పుడు రైట్ సైడ్ వాల్యూ ఆల్వేస్ టేకెన్ ఇన్ డినామినేటర్. యాక్చువల్లీ ఎక్స్ అనేది మోర్ అని ఎలా చెప్తాను? వైతో కంపేర్ చేస్తాను, అంటే కంపారిజన్ ఆల్వేస్ టేకెన్ ఇన్ డినామినేటర్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములా. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ ఫార్ములా, ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్ పర్సెంటేజ్ లెస్ దాన్ వై. లెస్ దాన్ మీన్స్ వాట్? ఇయర్ వై ఈజ్ అ గ్రేటర్ వాల్యూ. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద న్యూమరేటర్ వాల్యూ? వై మైనస్ ఎక్స్. Because x is how much percentage less than y. Here what I am given the condition, less than, nothing but y is the greatest value. So y minus x taken in the numerator value, denominator y into 100. This is a formula number 3. సో ఎక్స్ అనేది మీకు లెస్ వాల్యూ అని ఎలా తెలిసిందంటే వై ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ కాబట్టి, అంటే వైతో కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం. అంటే వై మైనస్ ఎక్స్ టేకెన్ ఇన్ న్యూమరేటర్, రైట్ సైడ్ వాల్యూ ఆల్వేస్ టేకెన్ ఇన్ డినామినేటర్ ఇంటూ 100. దీస్ 3 formulas ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ పర్సంటేజెస్. వన్స్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా? ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ వాట్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ వై? ఎక్స్ బై వై ఇంటూ 100. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్ పర్సంటేజ్ మోర్ దాన్ వై? సో డిఫరెన్స్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ వై, నథింగ్ బట్ డిఫరెన్స్ టేకెన్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇన్ ద numerator. So denominator right side value always taken y into 100, difference by right second person into 100. So next one, third one, x is how much percentage less than y? So what is the difference here? Y minus x, y minus x, because y is greater than x. Okay na, x is how much less than y ante y ekku untundi kabatti y minus x by denominator y compared with y, right side value always taken in denominator into 100. Am I clear? So this is the fundamentals. These are fundamental formulas in percentages. Okay, so here we go. So let's go to example 1. The ratio 5:4 expressed as a percentage equals to ratio. Percentage means what? So number or ratio that can be expressed in a fraction of 100. Actually in that question what I am given, 5:4 expressed as a percentage. 5:4 given. సో వాట్ ఐమ్ ఆస్కింగ్, పర్సంటేజ్లో అడుగుతున్నారండి. దీన్ని ఎలా రాస్తారంటే 5:4 కెన్ బి రిటర్న్ 5/4 ఆల్సో. ఐ మే క్లియర్? సో పర్సంటేజ్లో అడుగుతున్నారు కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇంటూ 100 తీసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. అంటే 100% ఇంటూ చేయాలి. వాడు అడుగుతుంది పర్సంటేజ్. సో 5:4, నథింగ్ బట్ a:b కెన్ బి రిటర్న్ a/b. ఐ మే క్లియర్? a:b కెన్ బి రిటర్న్ a/b. 5:4 కెన్ బి రిటర్న్ 5/4. But it can be expressed in the percentage, nothing but into 100%. So 100% తో ఇంటూ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. 4 1 జా 4 25 జా 100. 5 into 25 125% కామన్. సో 100% అనమాట. పర్సంటేజ్లో చెప్పాలంటే 100% తో ఇంటూ చేయాలి. 125%. ఆప్షన్ డి ఈజ్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఐ మే క్లియర్? లెట్స్ గో టు క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2. 3.5 కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్డ్ ఇన్ ద టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ పర్సంటేజ్. So 3.5 can be converted into percentage, nothing but it can be multiplied by 100%. Multiplied by 100%. So 3.5ని వాడు పర్సంటేజ్లో అడుగుతున్నారు కాబట్టి 100%లో మనం ఇంటూ చేయాలి. పర్సంటేజ్ అంటే 100/100 అని రాయకూడదు, 100%. సో 3.5 can be written 3/35/10, 0.5. So 3.5 means only one point given after one place, nothing but it can be written 35/10 into 100%. Am I clear? 0 0 cancel. So what is the required answer? 350%. Am I clear? This is the required answer. Option D is right answer. Let's go to question number 3. Half of 1% written as the decimal is. So half nothing but into, according to V. Bodmas law. 1% అంటే ఇలా రాస్తారు. Am I clear? Is it clear? Half of 1%, half of into 1%. దీన్ని ఎలా రాస్తాం? half into 1% can be written 1/100. Am I clear? So finally what you are getting? 1/200. 1/200 అంటే మీకు 1/2 అంటే 0.5 కదా, అంటే ఆన్సర్ మీకు ఏమొస్తుంది? 0.005. దిస్ ఇస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్. Am I clear? Actually 1/2 అంటే ఏమవుద్ది? 0.5. 0.5కి ఇంకా 100 ఉంటుంది కదా, ఇక్కడే రాయొచ్చు, ఇక్కడే సింప్లిఫై చేయొచ్చు. ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. 1/2 నథింగ్ బట్ 0.5/100. సో 1/2 నథింగ్ బట్ 0.5. సో అండ్ డినామినేటర్ 100 appeared. సో పాయింట్ టేకెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ 3 places. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 0.00005. Am I clear? This is the required answer. Option A is right answer. Let's go to question number 4. What is 15% of 34? 15% nothing but 15/100 of nothing but into 34. This is the required answer. Am I clear? So according to cancellation, so cancellation can take into చేసుకోవడం better. So by 100 nothing but point taken after 2 places towards right side. 15 into 34. So 15 into 34. 15 4s are 60. 6 carry. 15 3s are 45 plus 6. 45 plus 6 51 by 100. 0 0 cancel. So 51 by 10 can be written 5.1. So 5.1 is the required answer. 5.1 agriculture option D is right answer. 5.10 nothing but 5.1. Let's go to question number 5. 63% of 3 and 4 by 7 is 3 and 4 by 7. 63% means it can be written 63 by 100 of nothing but into, according to Bodmer's law, 3 and 4 by 3 nothing but 7 3 is a 21 plus 4 25 by 7. According to cancellation, 7 1s are 7 9s are 9 into 25 225 by 100. By 100 means point taken after 2 places towards right side. So nothing but 2.25 is the required answer. Option A is right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 6. 88% of 370 plus 24% of 210 minus percentage. Question mark. This is question mark equal to 1 by 10. Question what I am asking, what should come in the place of question mark? So it will be considered as x. Okay. So 88% means 88 by 100 of nothing but into, according to Bodmer's law, 370 plus 24%, 24 by 100 into 210 minus x, what I am taken question mark plus x equals to 118. Am I clear? So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, here also 0 0 cancel. Am I clear? So what is the value? 88 into 37, here 24 into 21. So 88 into 37, what is the value? So 88 into 37. Am I clear? By 100, by 10, okay. First one, they are multiplied together. So 7 8s are 56. 5 carry again, 56 plus 5. 61, okay na? Next one. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2. 26. What is the total? So 3 to 5 6. 3 to 5 6. Here 24 into 21. 124 is a 24. Next one. 2 4s are 8 to 4. What is total? 504. So those values, what I am getting, first one 3256, first value. Second one 504 minus by 10. By 10 means what? So point taken after one place, but before that what I am taken here 3256 by 10 plus second one 504 by 10 minus x equals to 118. What is LCM of these two numbers? 10. Okay na? So these two are added 0 6 7 3 minus x equals to 118. 0 0 cancel. So therefore x can be written 376 minus 118. What is the required answer? 8 5 2. So 258 is right answer. Option B is right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 7. 860% of 50 plus 50% of 860. Actually, in the percentages, A percentage of B can be written as B percentage of A. Am I clear? A percentage of B can be written B percentage of A. Both are equal. For example, 10% of 200, it can be written 200% of 10. Both are same. According to Bodmer's, half means into 10% means 10 by 100 into 200. So what is the value? 20 cancel, 20. Am I clear? So right side, what I am given 200%, nothing but 200 by 100. Percentage means whole by 100. Half means into 10. 20 cancel. It is also 20. So what is the formula? A percent of B equals to B percentage of A. Am I clear? But in that question, what I am given 860% of 50 equal plus 50% of 860. అంటే మీకు ఒక వాల్యూ వచ్చింది అనుకో, రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూ కూడా అంతే అవుతుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో చూద్దాం. సో 860% ఆఫ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 860 by 100. Percentage means whole of nothing but into 50. What is the value? 51s are 52s are 2 4s are 3s are 0. 430. సో ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ 430 అయితే సెకండ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కూడా 430 రావాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఏ పర్సెంట్ ఆఫ్ బి ఈక్వల్స్ టు బి పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ. ఏ పర్సెంట్ ఆఫ్ బి ఈక్వల్స్ టు బి పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ వన్? సో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఇచ్చేది 430 అండి. సో రైట్ సైడ్ కూడా అదే అవుతుంది కదా, 430. 430 plus 430, 860 is the required answer. Option C is right answer. Am I clear? Okay, have a look at question number 8. 45% of 750 minus 25% of 480 is what? So 45% can be written 45 by 100. Half means into 750 minus 25%, 25 by 100 into 480. So 0, 0 cancel. According to cancellation, 0, 0 cancel. Here also 0, 0 cancel, 1, 0. So according to multiplication shortcut method, first one we have to multiply together 45 into 75. So according to shortcut method, so 5 5 is how much? 25. 4 7s are 28. Direct step taken. Okay na? So first step over. 5 5s are 4 7s are. Next one we will go cross multiplication. 4 5s are 20. 5 7s are 35. 20 plus 35, 55. But 55 can be written after one place. So unit place always follows gap. Addition is the required value. What is addition? 3375. Am I clear? So that is a 2-digit multiplication concept. So what is the second one? 25 into 48. In the multiplication, one number is odd number, another one is a even number. One is odd, another one is even. You can go with the double of method. So which number has double? Odd number follows double. 50. 25 double 50. Another should be follows off, nothing but 24. 48 offs 24. Double off method. Okay, again here second step, 50 and 24 both are even numbers. If it is given two even numbers, greatest follows double. 50 double 100. Another one follows off 12. Double off method. So what is the value? 1200. So 45 into 75, double 3. 7 5 by 10 left. Next year 25 into 48, 1200 by 10. Okay, here 0 0 cancel, but here point taken one place, because bold by 10 means point taken after one place. Double 3 337.5 minus 120. What is the required answer? So the required answer is 217.5. Option B is the right answer. Am I clear? Okay guys, rest of the questions I will discuss you later. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.